Should we start off by doing like a toast and then be like, hey, we're Lindsay?
Yeah, I mean, let's just wing it.
Okay, so when you're prepping for a blowout that you want to last a couple days, the main thing is to make sure your hair, especially your scalp area, is really clean. So I'm going to start with a purifying shampoo. My favorite one that I'm using right now is Olaplex. I'm going to do a little hydrating conditioner, the Pureology, my fave. And I'm really just going to work it through the ends, not getting into the scalp area.
I feel pure.